Those of us who really don't like that principle at all of bullying the lesser in society and making them conform, we become all the stronger because of this injustice. So the system of authority that wants to bully us is actually forcing us to speak up and act in some way against them. It is not necessary to do that. It could all be done quietly with words in debate. In a civilized society, it would be. We would keep our violence for the debating room, and we would express very strong words there, and that would be enough. But if that forum, that soapbox, is not made available, if freedom of thought is distorted, then violence is certain to occur. The principle within us is to contain our radical ideas into the violence of the spoken word and not the physical. When violence moves into the physical, then peace has ended. People are in increased danger then, justice is flown, then bullies take over and the more physically strong win. And there's a battle between people that eventually turns into war. That's what happens when riots are violent. We need to become much more demanding in our press. The purpose of the Fourth Estate, this is the name given to the press, is to challenge authority. It's like the court jester in ancient times, or comedians of today. The purpose of the Fourth Estate is to make sure that the other three, the military, the landowners, and the bankers, are kept in some kind of order, kept within reasonable limits. And our press has failed us in this. Our press has been bought by the rich people, and that our press supports the status quo, even though it's unjust, and even though it's nasty. The press does not speak up against that enough, and has been bought off. So the radical magazine is certain to be born. When the mainstream press has been corrupted, then the radical magazine will take over.